Next thing I'm going to show you now is the pH. The reason why the pH is so important is because alkalinity is the epitome of health. We were born from an alkaline environment, and acidity is the breakdown of the human body, which causes all lifestyle-related illnesses, and when we die, our body decomposes, so we don't want acidity. Now here we go. I'm going to take these pH drops, means potential for hydrogen, which you can same thing as you're going to test your pool, and I'm going to place these drops in the water. We're looking for a purple color, because the purple is the color for alkalinity, and look what we have here. Boom, a bright, actual purple. That's what I'm talking about. Now we have Fiji. Let's take a look at Fiji, and it's a green. Right? So not only did it test positive for oxidation, but actually it's showing to be a green, which is more of a neutral. We want the best. Smart water, showing you that it's actually not so smart. As you see here, it's kind of like a yellowish green, and it also tested positive for oxidation. Here we have Aquafina. And as you see here, woo, it's like a bright orange. We definitely don't want that. Right? Here we have Aqua Hydrate. Oh, it's the same thing. It said it's tested to be a positive 9.5. But as you, 9.5 pH, but actually it's not. Here we have Perrier, and as you see here, same color as yellow. And then here we have Propel, Gatorade, and soda. And as you see here, these right here are dark orangish red. And as you see here, this is something that you don't want to be drinking because it's very, very acidic. And as you see everything across the board, and this is what we call living water, dead water, and illness in the bottle. And actually watch what happens when I actually pour 9.5, which is the living water, in each one of these containers. It will actually alkalize all of the waters. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking to alkalize our body from all the acidity it's taking in. Now watch very closely to the Perrier, it's what I love the most. It's actually going to try to alkalize it, but the carbonation in Perrier turns it right back to acidity. And here's Propel. When it comes to Propel, sports drinks, anything like that, Gatorade, sodas, Red Bull, Monster, you need like 2 gallons of Kangen water just to neutralize the acidity. I wouldn't even drink it. Wouldn't waste your money on it, because look what happens if you just drink a little bit of soda. When you're drinking something that's alkaline, it reverses it right back to oxidation. Here we have Gatorade, thinking that it's good for you because it says electrolytes, but all electrolytes you need, which is minerals, is actually in Kangen water. So there it is there. Now you're seeing the superior water to drink to hydrate the body for antioxidants.